Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make this easy DIY ring light, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so these are the supplies you're going to need, and everything is available at Walmart to get. The first thing you're going to get is the wreath. This was less than $3. It was $2 and something. This is the 18-inch. And then what also you're going to need is some zip ties. These were less than $1. This is the 8-inch zip ties. So remember to get white. And then I got this LED rope light. Remember to get daylight because you want that natural lighting, so get daylight. And this is a 16-foot, and this was the most expensive. I think it was about $24 or something. And then I got aluminum foil. Remember guys to get heavy duty because that is the most important, heavy duty aluminum foil. So yeah, for everything I paid like less than 30 bucks, I believe. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is take the tag off, of course, and get your aluminum foil and cut little pieces of aluminum foil. So I'm showing you guys, I cut the big aluminum foils in half. So just so I can work with them better, I cut them in half. So if you want to do that, cut them in half, because I got the long one. But if you get the smaller one, probably you don't have to cut it in half. And yeah, just cut them in half if you get the big ones. If you want to, you don't really have to. Alright, so now what you're going to do is just wrap it around the wire wreath, and just wrap it around. Make sure it wraps around good. There's no specific way to do it. Just wrap it around and just make sure it's tight to the wreath and push it down real good, and that's it. Just do that all the way around. Alright guys, so I'm going to be opening the zip ties. The zip ties are to hold down the rope because this rope is really hard to deal with. You can ask someone to help you, or you can just use the zip ties, and as you wrap it around, just secure it with zip ties to hold it down. Like right here, I had my little brother help me hold it down, and after a couple of times that I wrapped the rope around the wreath, I secured it with zip ties to make it like stay down, because it's really hard to keep it in place, as you see. But just work with it and you'll get it done. Alright guys, so as you see here, just if your rope is wobbly some places, just secure it down with zip ties. And later on, you're going to be cutting the little tabs at the end. So just make sure it's really tight and it's secured, and you just have to play with it, guys, and make sure it just fits well on the wreath. As you see there, I need to secure it more with zip ties, so that's what I'm doing. And then here I'm just going to be grabbing some scissors and cutting the little tabs off. And then that's it, guys. That's about it. Just cut the little tabs off. And that's it. Now to connect it and see how it looks. So let's go connect it. So this is the finished product, guys. You get yourself a ring light for less than 30 bucks. And you can use this for pictures and videos and different stuff. Alright guys, so right here I'm going to be doing a compare and contrast. So in this clip, you see that it's really dark. Where the curtain is, it's dark. It just looks dark all around. I mean, it's not that dark, but it doesn't have the daylight look. And also it is night outside, so there is a difference. In this clip, I used the light, and you see it's way brighter and it's dark outside. So imagine with the sunlight and then the LED light, your pictures or videos are going to be looking bomb. For less than $30, I think this is a really good DIY. So if you guys want to try it, go out and try it. Everything, all the supplies are available at Walmart. And don't forget to try it. And y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye.